Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is AquaPur Floor Cleaner. Using this one you can very easily clean your entire floor like this, and it's very affordable and it's very cheap price. Just I purchased here in Lidl supermarket. The price of this product is just only 89 Danish krona, around 800 INR. It's for quick floor cleaning without bucket. Using this one, now we will see detailed demonstration unboxing of this one. The product look like this exactly. So now let's see. This is a magic booklet. If you have no idea how to use it, you can use. So guys, look at this. This is a bottle. You can put it here, the water or cleaning liquid also. And here the one button is also available here. You just simply press here, so the water is falling down. I just simply fix here. Proper portion. This portion comes from bottle size. It's very easy fix. Now the down space like this, but before use I just simply use one of the brush. So I just simply fix here. It's very easy. You can do like this, do like this, and after this is ready to cleaning. It's very, they are providing two brush for the one purchasing, and now it's very easy to fix here. Do little pressure. So yeah, now this one is really easy. So here like this, now is fixed. Now we can see as a practical session how exactly clean this one. Now look at this. I add here the cleaning liquid as well as water. I just simply fix here. Now is ready. If I press here this button, so liquid is falling down here. So I just simply clean here. Look at this. Now I just simply clean. So 2-in-1, and my floor is really clean. Look at this. The portion of water is falling very big space, so you can very easily clean this one. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.